Senator Warner and I have introduced a bill to add to part of the reconciliation package that will do significant good in Virginia, and it's based on some work I did when I was governor. When I was actually mayor of Richmond, there was a closed historic high school in our city, the Maggie Walker High School, that had been closed and was vandalized and graffiti covered, and we needed to reopen it. And we eventually reopened it as the Maggie Walker Governor School, which was one of the most successful public high schools in the United States. In order to do that, renovating an old school building is costly, but we were able to get the building placed on the National Register of Historic Places and then use historic tax credits to pay for about a third of the construction of the bill. In the bills we're looking at right now, infrastructure and reconciliation, we are looking at money for school construction. But if we're going to do school construction, we shouldn't forget the needs of communities that have existing school buildings, that we don't need new construction, we just need significant renovation so that they have up-to-date HVAC systems, so that they have the technology that students need in a digital age. And so we have introduced a bill to allow the historic tax credit to be used more broadly for the renovation of school buildings, so that we're not just funding new construction, but we're funding renovation as well. And that will be really, really important for communities like Richmond or others that have school buildings that could have their useful lives extended with a significant renovation.